Automatic bottle lifting can be universal. Automatic bottle management, anti-bottle can be removed. Bottle out and delivery seamless docking. The e-liquid filling machine nozzles adopts a drip-proof needle design and has servo-driven control and photoelectric detection to ensure that no bottle and no filling. This is a mechanical arm that can automatically pick and place caps and tips. Automatic finishing cap, manual put. Automatic capping, not damage the cap. The star wheel we use is wear resistant, high temperature resistant, low temperature resistant, and not easily deformed. CX-YGF automatic fixed position labeling machine. Servo motor is used. CXSP collecting turntable machine. Connect the labeling machine. If you want to know more, please contact us.